So I went ahead and asked ChatGPT to write for me a 2 weeks balanced diet daily meal plan. But as you can see, ChatGPT went ahead and wrote for me a meal plan that is in list form, and here it is. But the problem is I want this information into a table format. So let me show you how you can convert your conversations or your chats in ChatGPT from a list form into a table. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So you can see we have here a 14 days meal plan, and I want this information into a table format. To convert any conversation that you have to be organized into a table format, just go ahead and ask ChatGPT to convert it into a table format. So I'll go ahead and type. So this is a simple instruction you can give it. Now convert the above into a table. Now if I go ahead, and now you can see the table has been created, and here it is. Look at that. And we are done. Look at that. So these are table for week 1 and week 2 is here. And this is very much organized, very much organized. So you can go ahead now and copy this information. To copy or to transfer this information, just go ahead and click on copy here and then paste it into your Word document or Google Docs. But if you have a challenge pasting this, I did a video on how you can paste tables into a Word document the right way, and I've left the link to the video down below, so you can go ahead and check it out. So here's the information, and we have all we need. If you want to combine these weeks, and these are 2 separate tables, you can as well go ahead and ask ChatGPT to combine all these tables into one, and it will again do the same. For instance, if I tell it now combine the 2 tables, if I ask that, it will go ahead and combine the 2 tables. And look at that, now it has come up with one table called 2-week balanced diet meal plan. And look at that, so it will run from day 1 to day 14. And now this is a single table that ChatGPT has just come up with. So that's how you use ChatGPT to create tables or to convert your charts into tables. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.